Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us grow. Thank you so much. iChannel. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop iChannel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. My brother, how's it?
Hey, alright, Puchu Kunjai.
Sharp, thanks, man. Your take on the game today?
We had a very interesting game. But kule match le
Yeah.
yabona nansi manje the president ye-GNU
Yeah.
ikhalile xa ndithi kuyo le-GNU lesiyayikhawula yikho
Ewe.
batshintsha ii-plans manje
Angithi nini nguwe lo ophethe ibhoti uthi awufuna GNU.
ndim lufakele bhoti manje batshintshe ii-plans
Nguwe
Ke ngoku,
uyimoshile.
kakhulu ke umdlalo wona uburayithi kakhulu
Yeah.
but thina sibetheke kakhulu kule injury kaCupid because
yeah.
after elimele umjita
Yeah.
khange sikwazi uvala then yasipressa kakhulu ilantoka i-Chiefs
Chiefs, yeah.
umdlalo wona ubumhle kakhulu
Yeah.
kamani siphoqile kakhulu besikhusela bona ngoba once iPirates yawina
Yeah.
uwina kwaye iPirates
Yeah.
abangeke baphinde bayosebenza amakhosi
Yeah.
bawufuneka bancatshe manje benjenje
Hey.
kodwa ke it's not over until it's over
Yeah.
asikavumi
Number one.
sisaya phambili enkosi futhi
Enkosi tata sakusebenzela kakhulu. Hayi. Uthi uthokana after all.
Mna